In this video, I am going to show you how to add music to your Instagram stories. This is an easy tutorial on how to add music to your Instagram stories. Before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I am going to show you two methods on how to add music to your Instagram stories. So if the first one doesn't work for you, then the second one will work for you for sure. So let's get started right now. So what you want to do, guys, you want to open your Instagram account, of course, and then at the very bottom right, you want to click your profile picture here, and when you click your profile picture at the top right, you want to click this plus button here. Just click it and then click story. As you can see here, a few different options will come up. You want to click story, and after you click story, you can select the picture to add music to, or you can just take a random picture. For example, I am going to take a random picture here, this. And what you want to do, guys, to add music, you want to click this sticker in the top right, this sticker here. I am going to add something so that you can see it. So as you can see here, guys, just click it and then click search. As you can see here, guys, search and then search in music. Just search music and select the first sticker here. Just click it, and here Instagram is going to show you a lot of music to choose from. But if you don't like this music, you want to search for a specific music, for example, I'm going to search here crazy or something like that, and then you can choose any song you want. For example, I'm going to choose this song, a random song. So if you want to add music, just click done, and at the very bottom right, just click this arrow wait button. Just click it, and then that's it. And then click share. So when you click share, just click done at the very bottom. At the very bottom, click done, and boom! Now your story is uploaded to your Instagram account. But let me show you guys the second way on how to add music to your Instagram story. Just go to Spotify. You can download it for free. You don't need to pay for anything. And then click search like YouTube here, and then search for anything. For example, I'm just going to search for music, and then you can just select any music you want. For example, this music. Just click at the three little dots. At the three little dots in the top right corner, and then scroll down a little bit. You will see here search. I will see here share. I'm sorry, guys. Just click share here, and when you click share, you want to select Instagram here. So when you select Instagram, you can just click the same thing. Just click this arrow at the very bottom right. Just click it and then click share and then click done. I hope this video helped you, guys. If this video helped you, please drop a like. I only have one subscriber now. Just please subscribe. Have a good day, guys.